So I just want to say this is not really fake, but what? What the?
This is a test.
What the fuck? No, what the fuck? I'm
is a
so
test.
scared. This is not a YouTube video, bro. No!
Look, turn it off.
The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
Something bad will happen soon. Oh no.
Something fucking shit all over your face.
Octopus? See if that accepts. It's not good then, it's really fake. Ah! No, I'm getting out of this room.